Hi everyone, welcome to Campkins.com. This is the first look at the 2021 Avenger 28DBS by Primetime Manufacturing. Let's have a look. All right, so here we go. We have a beautiful aerodynamic front cap with solar prep on the front of the trailer. And then you'll see on the outside of this trailer, what's different about this one is it actually has two doors. One entrance into the washroom and then one entrance into the main area. And what I really like about this floor plan too is it does come with a prep for a barbecue. If you do want to put a barbecue in there, it's got lots of storage underneath the bed, a nice long exterior awning, great exterior speakers, all the features you're looking for in a trailer this size. Come on inside. So first, what you see in the slide out is you've got lots of big windows that open and give you lots of ventilation. You got a nice big couch here as well that will give you cup holders and USB chargers and all that fun stuff. Then you've got a big u-dinette here, which 6 adults can easily sit in. It's got storage underneath and turns into a large bed should you have that pop-by guest. Back here in the bunk area, you've got your double over double bunks. It's got USB chargers in there. It's got a nice window up top to give you lots of space as well. And there's lots of room in there and storage underneath on the other side for, again, more equipment. Then you can see out here, you've got your large shower with a shower surround. You've got the entrance door into the washroom, lots of room around the toilet, big vanity, big medicine cabinet, which is great. But check out this storage right here. So for your pantry, you've got tons of space in here. So imagine putting all of your dishes, your food and everything all in one spot. Very easy to get at, no problem. Then you can see here, you've got your 11 cubic foot fridge by Everchill, which gives you lots of room for all of your freezer stuff and your fridge stuff. And it keeps it all secure while you're driving. Then you've got a glass top stove with beautiful black splash. You've got lots of countertop space, stainless steel undermount sink, and a little window in the kitchen, which is quite nice too. Pot drawer underneath the stove, lots of storage, lots of drawers. What's great too is that the TV actually faces where you sit. So it's on an angle. You've got a fireplace, which gives you warmth. You've got your stereo system and everything there, and it actually faces you. But what's great is with this design is it really enhances the bedroom storage. So you can see you've got storage all around the bed. Most trailers do have that. And then you've got the bed here and then USB chargers and plugs on all sides of the bed. You've got windows on both sides of the bed for cross ventilation. You've got a spot for the TV, which is great. Doors open or closed, you can be watching TV, pocket doors. And then over here, you actually have your own washroom in the front of the trailer. So you've got 2 washrooms in a 28-foot bunkhouse. You have your own ensuite washroom, and then you have your main washroom in the back, which is just great. This is luxury. I mean, you got 2 washrooms. In my first house, I didn't have 2 washrooms. My goodness. So here it is. This is the brand new 2021 Avenger 28DBS, available now at Campkins. We say it's worth the hurdle to Myrtle, which is just north of Whitby on Highway 12. So why don't you come on out and help us help you make your RV dreams come true.